All right, for this question, we're going to multiply by the lowest common denominator of 5 and 2, which is going to be 10. So we're going to multiply all the terms on both sides of the equation by 10. And I've written this out in expanded form here. I could have put everything on the left-hand side in brackets, and then I'd have to multiply everything by 10. But I've separated this so that, or expanded it so that you can see the simplification. So 5 goes into itself once and into 10 2 times, and 2 goes into itself once and into 10 5 times. So on the left-hand side of the equation, we now have 2 times 2a, which is 4a, plus 5 times a is 5a, is equal to, and on this side of the equation we have 10a subtract 20. So this simplifies to be 9a, and I'm going to subtract 10a from both sides now. So I'm going to subtract 10a from this side and 10a from this side. So this is minus 10a is equal to negative 20. So negative a is equal to negative 20. So that means that if we divide by negative 1 or multiply both sides by negative 1, we get a is equal to 20. And you can either show that step or not. All right, for the next one, I'm going to multiply both sides by the lowest common denominator of 2, 3, and 4, which is 12. So I'm going to write it down here. So 12 times 1/2 n minus 12 times 2/3 n plus 12 times 3/4 n is equal to 12 times negative 7. So we simplify here. 2 goes into itself once and into 12 6 times. 3 goes into itself once and into 12 4 times. And 4 goes into itself once and into 12 3 times. And we're left with 6 times 1n is 6n minus 4 times 2n is negative 8n plus 3 times 3n is 9n. So don't forget about the numerators in the when you simplify. So this is equal to 12 times negative 7 is negative 84. So next we have 6n minus 8n is negative 2n plus 9n is 7n is equal to negative 84. Divide both sides by 7. You get n is equal to negative 12. Oops. The next question, we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by 6. So 6 times x over 3 plus 6 times 1/2 is equal to 6 times negative 2x. So 3 goes into itself once and into 6 2 times. 2 goes into itself once and into 6 3 times. So next line, we end up with 2x plus 3 is equal to negative 12x. So if we subtract 2x from both sides, we end up with, I'm going to flip left side and right side, so negative 14x is equal to 3. Divide both sides by negative 14. And you get x is equal to negative 3 over 14. Okay, in 4a, we're going to multiply both sides, or everything on both sides, by 12 in order to get rid of the fraction. So 12 times negative 1 over 3x times plus 12 times 3 over 4x is equal to 12 times 10. So this is, when this simplifies, 3 goes into itself once and into 12 4 times. 4 goes into itself once and into 12 3 times. And we end up with negative 4x plus 9x is equal to 120. So 5x is equal to 120. Divide both sides by 5. And you get x is equal to 24. For b, lowest common denominator for both is 10. So this will be 10 times 3 over 5x plus 10 times, or sorry, it's minus 10 times 3 over 2x is equal to 10 times 10. So this is a 3. So when we simplify, 5 goes into itself once and into 10 2 times. 2 goes into itself once and into 10 5 times. So we end up with 2 times 3x is 6x. Subtract 5x. 15x. Because it's 5 times 3x. Is equal to 100. So this is negative 9x is equal to 100. Divide both sides by negative 9. And you get x is equal to negative 100 over 9. And I'll rewrite that.